Good morning all of you. Welcome back. How are you all my kids? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, let's begin our maths class. In my previous class, I had given you the prep of expanded form, compact form or standard form. I hope you all might have completed it. Students, now bring your maths classwork notebook, pencil and eraser and be ready. Students, are you ready with maths classwork notebook, pencil and eraser? Let's begin. Now open the page where I had given you the prep. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Date was 7.7.20. Students, I had given you the first answer. Number was 342. The expanded form of 342 is 300 plus 40 plus 2. The next number, students, if your answers are not correct, you can erase it and make it correct. 210. The next number is, the expanded form of 210 is 200 plus 10 plus 0. I repeat, 200 plus 10 plus 0. The next number is 678. The expanded form of 678 is 600 plus 70 plus 8. I repeat, 600 plus 70 plus 8. The next number is 105. The expanded form of 105 is 100 plus 0 plus 5. I repeat, 100 plus 0 plus 5. The next number is 769. The expanded form of 769 is 700 plus 60 plus 9. I repeat, 700 plus 60 plus 9. The next number is 255. The expanded form of 255 is 200 plus 50 plus 5. I repeat, 200 plus 50 plus 5. The next number is 840. The expanded form of 840 is 800 plus 40 plus 0. I repeat, 800 plus 40 plus 0. And the last number is 991. The expanded form of 991 is 900 plus 90 plus 1. I repeat, 900 plus 90 plus 1. Students, here I have completed this page. If you have not completed it, it's on the screen. And students, if your answers are correct, give yourself a small star here. I repeat, give yourself a small star here. Students, write neatly. Students, I hope now you all might have completed this page. Students, now turn the page. Students, are you ready? I had given you again this page also as the prep. Write the numbers in standard or compact form. The date was 7.7.20. The first answer 141. The expanded form 100 plus 40 plus 1. The answer was 141. The next one 700 plus 30 plus 3. The answer is 733. The next one 500 plus 20 plus 7. The answer is 527. The next one 400 plus 10 plus 8. The answer is 418. The next one 900 plus 50 plus 5, the answer is 955. The next one, 600 plus 10 plus 0, the answer is 610. The next one, 200 plus 80 plus 6, the answer is 286. The next one, 800 plus 60 plus 2, the answer is 862. And the last one, 300 plus 70 plus 4, the answer is 374. Students, here I have completed this page. If you have not completed it, it's on the screen, you can complete it. And students, if your answers are correct, you can give yourself a star here. You can give yourself a small star here. Students, write neatly. I hope now you all might have completed this page. Students, now take a new page or turn the page. I repeat, take a new page or turn the page. Are you ready with the new page? As I have told you, we will not write anything on the first line. Come to the next line, put the date 9.7.20. After pink color margin, put the dot. Now write down the heading, write the place value and face. Come to the next line, value of underlined digit. Students, don't leave any line in between. You can take time to write down the date and heading. It's on the screen. Now students, are you ready? After writing the heading, come to the next line, leave this box, write down H, T, O, and then again leave this box, write down place value. You can take 3 boxes if you want. Then again leave 1 box and write down face value. Okay? I will wait for you till you write this much. Students, this page is a prep for you today. You are only going to copy the numbers. Place value and face value you will write down in the prep. That means you will write down the answers afterwards. Let's begin. The first number 132, 132. Students, I have underlined here 3. That means underline digit you need to say the place value and face value. So what is the place value of this digit? That is 3. Yes, the place value is 30 as it comes in tens place. And what is the face value? The number will remain same. Yes, 3. Okay, itself. The number will remain same. The next number 399, underline 3. You will not write down the answers right now. Answers you will write down afterwards. You will only copy the numbers. The next number is 420, 420, underline 0. Students, you need to put a small dash after writing the numbers. Can you see? The next number is 514, 514, underline 1 and then put a small dash. The next number is 638, 638, underline 6 and then put a small dash after writing the number. The next number is 840, 840, underline 8 and then put a small dash. The next number is 798, 798, underline 9 and then put a small dash. And the last number is 913, 913, underline 3 and put a small dash. Students, I have told you before also, you will only copy the numbers. Answers you will write down afterwards, place value and face value. This is a prep for you today. Students, here I have completed this page. If you have not completed it, it's on the screen. You can complete it. Students, write neatly. Students, I hope now you all might have completed this page. Now take a new page or turn the page. I repeat, take a new page. Students, are you ready with the new page? As I have told you, we will not write anything on the first line. Come to the next line, put the date 9.7.20. After pink color margin, put the dot. Now write down the heading, write the place value and face. Come to the next line, value of underlined digit. You need 2 lines to write down the heading. Don't leave any lines in between. I'll wait for you till you write down the date and heading. Students, now after writing the heading, come to the next line, leave this box, write down HTO. Leave this box, again write down place value. You can take 3 box, then leave 1 box and write down face value. Students, this page is also prep for you today. You have 2 pages, place value, face value in prep today. You will only copy the numbers. Answers you will do it afterwards. The first number is 119, 119. The answer, you have to underline 1 and then put a small dash. Answer is 10 as it comes in tens place and the face value is 1. Now write down the next number 536, 536. Underline 3 and then put a small dash after writing the number. The next number is 600, 600. Underline 0 and then put a small dash after writing the number. The next number is 497, 497. Underline 4 and then put a small dash. The next number 385, 385. Put a small dash. You need to underline 8, students. The next number 740, 740. Underline 8 and then put a small dash. The next number is 253, 253. Underline 3 and then put a small dash. And the last number is 981. Underline 9 and then put a small dash. Students, you will only copy the numbers. Don't write the answers right now. I have completed this page here. If you have not completed it, it's on the screen. You can complete it. Students, I hope now you all might have completed this page. You want still more time? No problem. It's on the screen. You can complete it. Students, write neatly. I hope now you all might have completed this page. Before ending my today's session, I would just like to tell you that I have given you the prep of place value and face value. You will not submit the prep in ERP. I repeat, you will not submit the prep in ERP. And one more thing I would like to tell, that is, I have uploaded one worksheet of chapter 1. You will not submit that worksheet in ERP. We will be discussing that worksheet on 11th of July. I hope you all might have understood what I have told you today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing maths.